Here's how you can invest in index funds using ChatGPT as a tutor. If you're looking to invest in index funds but don't know about it, you can use ChatGPT in order to understand the game. To do that, first of all, go onto your browser and search for ChatGPT. You'll need to log in or sign up. It's free, so go ahead and do it. You can also stay logged out, but your data won't be saved. Once you're on the main page, write up this prompt, or you can write it any way you want. Just explain the things to ChatGPT. Work as a professional tutor and teach me on how to invest in index funds. You'll see that it will create a whole lesson for you. By going through this lesson, you'll be able to understand what investing in index fund means. It will give you the potential investment sites according to your country. For example, if your country is the United States, it will tell you where to invest and where you can open an investment accounts online with. For example, here it will tell you about Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, E-Trade, and M1 Finance. You can also ask it to give you advanced details. For example, it is giving you all the details about all of the potential investment sites. For example, iShares. It will tell you about the track, the expense ratio, dividend yield, minimum investments, best for, and strengths. By doing all this research, you would be able to easily invest in the best possible market for you. If you have any question about it, just ask ChatGPT and it will answer you right away. That is how you can use ChatGPT in order to invest in index funds and use ChatGPT as a tutor. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, just subscribe and like this video.